Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's Meeks here. I hope that you're well. So excited to be recording this video with you today. Not only am I going to be sharing my highly requested skincare routine. Ever since I started this channel, y'all been asking me, so I'm doing it for y'all now. But I'm also going to be announcing my £500 beauty giveaway. So stay tuned for that because that is going to be lit. The box is full. Okay, so today I'm gonna let you lot get unready with me, show you what steps I take to cleanse my face, get rid of all the day's makeup, grime, pollutants, etc. that we carry on our skin during the day. This is personally one of my favorite times of the day. I love the end of the day where you just wipe off all the makeup and your skin feels so revitalized and fresh and but before I do, if you're new here, hi, welcome. Please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already and ring that notification bell so you do not miss any of my future videos. And if you're returning, hi, welcome back. Hope you like this one. Okay, so the first thing I do is I need to remove these lashes. Come off quite easily, thank God. Sometimes I'm like struggling. I normally do wear semi-permanent, but the UK, London is back in tier 4. So our beauty stores are sadly closed, and that includes eyelashes, nails. I just want to disclaimer for my nails as well. If you see them looking chipped, I'm so sorry. I got these done weeks ago. I did intend to get them redone for Christmas, but we went into tier 4. So this is how it is, and I can't even repaint them myself because they're shellac. So if you see these chip nails and you think it's ghetto, it's not my fault, girl. This cleanser, this is what I start my routine off with. This is the MVP of all cleansers, guys. Vogue once described this cleanser as the best cleanser in the world, and you're gonna see why. It literally melts the makeup off your face. It smells like a spa. It smells so aromatic. It has quite a strong smell of eucalyptus. It actually is a combination of eucalyptus, hops, chamomile and cloves. So what I do is, notice I haven't put any water on my skin, just literally took my eyelashes because you're meant to put this on dry skin, so straight onto makeup. So I take, that's actually quite a big amount, it's probably more than I needed. You're meant to take about a 20p size, and that'll do. Just take the cleanser, warm it with my hands. This is way more than I usually use, guys. I really got excited. I don't usually use this much, so I'm wasting my evening. But it's VR, so it's worth it. Okay, and I just literally apply on the skin. This is way too much, guys. Please don't use this much. I like to do like a massage as well when I'm doing my Eve Lom, as it's so aromatic. It just helps me wind down and gives me a better night's sleep. She does have a special facial massage that she actually teaches that you're meant to use with this product as well, but I'm not going to do that today. But occasionally I do like to give myself a nice massage. So what this cleanser does, you can use it around the eyes as well because it's so soft. Oh, the skin turns out so beautifully after this. It's got a cocoa butter base, so you can imagine the softness. And yeah, just rub in, because you don't normally need to do this long, but I really just enjoy having this on my skin. It really breaks down the makeup and gets right into the pores. Really unclogs the pores as well. It's really gentle around the eyes, guys. I can't even describe. I've actually got contact lenses in as well. There's no irritation. Okay, so I think that's enough. Now what you do, it comes with a special muslin cloth. This is made of pure Egyptian cotton and it comes with the cleanser. So you take this. What I'm going to do now is, the next step is you have to steam the face. And with the balm cleanser, it's best to steam so that the cleanser actually really gets down and penetrates all layers of the skin. So then you take your muslin cloth, press it down on your face for 5 seconds and just breathe, inhale. Pushing it down into the skin. And you do this 3 times. I know it seems long-winded, guys, but it's so worth it. Okay, now you fold it into a square and you just literally begin to wipe, and all the makeup just wipes off. Bearing in mind, guys, I had a full face of makeup. Yet the muslin cloth also helps to work as an exfoliator. So I like to do circle movements to make sure my skin is exfoliated as well, but it's not harsh on the skin at all. Not at all. And the enzymes in the cleanser, they actually help with exfoliation and brightening too. So yeah, really it's just amazing. And just to say as well that with this cleanser, you do not need a toner. So I removed toners from my bedtime routine now, as the hops oil in the cleanser works as a rinse aid, so that's good. Wonderful. Okay, so final step now is we take the muslin cloth and we soak it in cold water and then put that on our face, and that will close back our pores. You only need to do this part once, you don't need to do this 3 times. I always give an extra wipe, just to make sure my face is fully cleansed. Wonderful. In my dressing room now for my next part, just tapping my face dry with a towel after my wonderful cleanse. Okay, so now, as I said, you don't need to use a toner with the cleanser, the Lom Cleanser, because the hops works as a rinse aid. And can I also just say as well that that cleanser is very good for the lymphatic system. It really decongests, so that's another reason why it's great to do the massage. But I didn't even do the massage and I feel amazing. Right, you're gonna see why I love this cleanser now. So next step, I take my Bioderma micellar water, just to make sure that all makeup is definitely off my face. On my eyes, just make sure. Makeup wear. That cleanser, guys, that cleanser, I've never used anything that takes off a full face of makeup like my Lom Cleanser. Never, ever, ever. It is literally amazing. Normally, once I cleanse, I use my micellar water, and there's always like patches of makeup, you know, it hasn't fully washed off. I used to triple cleanse, but I find that since using that cleanser, just this is fine. It is literally just amazing. And I have put an Lom Cleanser and a muslin cloth in my giveaway, so you will receive that cleanser. So if you haven't tried it, you can now try it. Just enter my giveaway. So I'm now cleansed. What I now do is I now apply the ordinary caffeine solution. I'm off and on using this, but I've been using it recently now too, because I find that my circles have been extremely bad. So I just pop this on under my eyes like so. This is supposed to reduce the appearance of eye contour pigmentation and of puffiness. Sorry guys, forgot to say in the video. Tiny little bit. The next thing I use, another product from The Ordinary. This is The Ordinary Niacinamide. Niacinamide is fantastic. This is another MVP for its own reasons. Niacinamide, if you don't know about niacinamide, let me tell you. It's a water-soluble B3 solution, and it reduces fine lines, increases elasticity, removes pigmentation, and I always say what pores, literally, it makes your pores disappear. So then I just put 3 taps of that, and I just kind of dab that into my face like this. Dab that into the skin, and it goes into the skin so beautifully. Yes. I just find that niacinamide helps keep that sort of dewy complexion that I have and I need, because girl, getting older, every day that goes by, time is ticking. So it just helps me maintain my youth. It's an amazing product. So that's that. So after that, my next step, I then use my Advanced Night Repair. I love all my products, but this has been the holy grail for me for so long. I've used Advanced Night Repair for years now, and it's just something that I can't stop buying it. I have taken breaks from it, and then it's like my skin has missed it and I've always bought it. I can never not buy this. I got this one off Look Fantastic. In fact, all of these products I got from Look Fantastic. Actually, I do have a code for that too, so I'll pop that down below where you can get 20% off Look Fantastic. This is actually the Advanced Night Repair Synchronized Multi Recovery Complex. It's the brand new patent that they just released this year. Before I was using the Advanced Recovery 2, but they've upgraded the formula and it's just amazing. It really, really is. This serum is everything, honestly. So what I then do is, again, I take 3, put 1 on each finger, kind of warm it up a bit. And I don't rub this in, I'm going to show you why. I just kind of like smooth it onto my skin. This serum is supposed to repair visible damage caused by the environment and also heal the skin from lack of sleep, which I'm always in need. I then take my jade roller. This is a Brushworks jade roller. Roll it in. It just helps the serum get deeper into the skin. And the jade roller is like a cold compress, so it reduces puffiness. And it just feels so good. I love doing this. The Advanced Night Repair has hyaluronic acid in there as well, so it helps plump the skin. It's a very good anti-aging serum also. It brightens. I'm telling you, the serum's just everything. And with this jade roller to help it get even more in there, it's just amazing. And this also helps with the lymphatic system. So hydrating. I think you guys can tell how much I enjoy my nighttime skin routine, right? Oh, so happy to share this with you guys. Okay, then I take this other part, and again the jade for the cold compress with dark circles and the puffiness under the eyes. Yeah, it's so good. Okay, the next thing I then do, argan oil. Ladies and gents, guys and dolls, argan oil. If you don't have it, get it. I got this in Morocco and it's 100% argan oil, and when I tell you, this is, if you want to stay looking young, you need to invest in some argan oil. I just take a bit of this. Usually start with it under my eyes, as argan oil is so good for dark circles. Just kind of rub it in. So I'll be all over my face. Always in an upwards motion as well. Argan oil, it's from the argan tree in Morocco, so it's 100% natural products. Plumps out the skin, it renews the skin cell turnover as well. It just really is amazing. I found that since using this, my skin has that constant glowy complexion, and even though it's an oil, it's very light, so it really just soaks into your skin. It doesn't cause acne or anything like that. It's very, very good for the face. You can also use it in your hair. It really just is wonderful. The next thing I do, again, Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. This is the eye cream, and this is the Advanced Night Repair Eye Supercharged Complex Synchronized Recovery. Longest name ever for an eye cream, but it works. So hey, I've been using this just as long as I've been using the Night Repair serum. It's just wonderful. It claims to reduce dark circles within 3 weeks, so God knows how mine would be looking if I didn't use this. Oh my goodness. It hydrates the under eye, it plumps, and it's known for reducing fine lines. So I just take a little bit of this and I pop this under. And then what I do is I get my jade roller again. I just roll that in. Very gently, because the skin under the eye is very delicate. We're nearly done, guys. We're nearly done. So my last step that I do in my nighttime routine, I then use my Elemis Pro Collagen Oxygenating Night Cream. This cream is wonderful. It's cult classic also. I think most of my products are cult classics, to be honest. Definitely worth the hype. It's very velvety on the skin. So tap it. And again, does what it says on the tin, reduces fine lines, plumps, nourishes your skin while you sleep, does that whole repair work, all that going on. And oh yeah, I just rub that into my skin. I will do an AM routine with you as well, because I use different products in the morning, completely different products. So yeah, that's it, guys. That is my skincare routine. But before I let you go, I do want to talk about my £500 giveaway. So I'm doing a giveaway for you guys. It's a box filled with beauty products. There's some hair care products in there. There's skincare products in there. There's makeup. It's a huge box, and it's worth £500 with some of my favorite products. As of the amazing Lom Cleanser is in there, and some other bits from my routine that I've put in there for you. I might do a video unboxing, but I will put up a picture, because I created a little collage today of everything that's in the box. To enter, all you have to do is like this video, subscribe to my channel. I will be checking who is subscribing. You do need to subscribe to be eligible for the giveaway. So subscribe to my channel and comment underneath your favorite product from my routine, whether that's a product that you already use or something that intrigued you, that you enjoyed seeing. That's what I want to see. What I will do is the giveaway will be open for 1 week. It's my New Year's giveaway. I've decided to extend that to 2 weeks just to give y'all more of a chance, and it is open worldwide. And then I will do an auto generator through all the comments, and then a winner will be chosen. I will announce it on my channel. Then you'll get your £500 worth of products sent to your door. I really love the products in the giveaway. It really is such a good choice of products. Like, everything you need to have a balanced skincare routine is in that giveaway. So guys, make sure you enter, tell your friends, share it, etc, etc. If you go on my Instagram as well, I will post the picture on my Instagram, and if you share it to your followers, you do get an extra entry. I will be checking. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed my skincare routine, guys. It just really relaxes me. It gives me such a good night's sleep. I wake up in the morning, my skin looks glowy. Girl. But thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Ring that notification bell so you do not miss any of my future videos. Enter my giveaway, and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.